The United States confirmed the deployment of the THAAD missile defense system in Israel. The THAAD missile system is designed to intercept and destroy short, medium and long-range ballistic missiles at altitudes of up to 150 kilometers, adding important layer to Israel's defense system. Footage released on October 19 shows a Russian Su-57 fighter jet carrying two Kh-59 cruise missiles mounted externally, increasing jet's radar visibility. However, using cheaper external missiles remains a cost-effective way in uncontested airspace where the adversary has no radars, fighters or missiles in range. A US F-35B Lightning II aircraft has made its first-ever landing on Japan's Izumo-class destroyer JS Kaga. This event signals start of developmental tests aimed at ensuring seamless operation of F-35B on Japan's largest warship, which underwent extensive modifications to accommodate such aircraft. A footage has emerged showing a Ukrainian Mi-24 helicopter successfully downing a Russian Shahed-136 attack drone using its onboard cannon. The helicopter's 30mm cannon fires a precise burst, intercepting the loitering drone mid-flight.